My name is Ezekiel Olaoluwa-Akeriade. I represent African Resourceful Leaders Foundation, and also I'm representing International Youth Council, Lagos chapter.
Can you give us a brief information about this youth platform for governorship debates?
Youth platform for governorship debate is a coalition of youth organizations and students of Lagos State, and I think the governorship debate is actually necessary for youth to converge and be able to engage their governorship aspirants to know what they have in store for us as young people, and for us to be able to determine what the future holds for us.
So, now, what are those things that you feel should expect at this we actually expect to see candidates that have the intention of youth at mind. Gone are those days that we say that youth are the leaders of tomorrow. We want to know what tomorrow holds for us now, and we want a leader who is futuristic. We want a leader who is futuristic. We want a leader who is going to structure our academic system, our educational system. We want a governor that will be able to provide jobs. We want a governor that will be able to enhance technology that is going to provide things that are needed by young people in order to make our future guaranteed. So, what for the candidates and the youth?
Well, for the candidate, I want to advise that in case you have a motive that is selfish to become a governor, I think this is the right time for you to have a change of mind and be people-oriented. And for young people, I believe that it is time to get involved in what is happening in our environment and be able to choose the leader that we want and that we are sure that is going to give us what is needed to develop our society. Thank you very much.